Can't see Instagram comments? Try these fixes. 1. Check your internet connection. Swipe down from the top right of your screen to open the control center. Turn airplane mode on to disconnect Wi-Fi and mobile data. Wait for a few seconds. Turn airplane mode off again. Now, open Instagram and check if the comments appear. If not. 2. Update the Instagram app. Open the App Store on iPhone or the Google Play Store on Android. Tap on the search bar and type for the Instagram app. Select the Instagram app from the results. If you see an update option, tap on it. Open Instagram again and check if the comments are visible. If not. 3. Clear cache or offload the app. Open settings on your device. Then scroll down and tap on General. Click on iPhone Storage. Scroll and look for the Instagram app. Click on it. Tap Offload App. Reinstall the app. 4. Reinstall Instagram. If the issue continues, delete the Instagram app from your phone. Go to the App Store or Play Store. Search for Instagram. Install the app again. Log back into your account and check if comments appear. If not. 5. Check if Instagram is down. Open a web browser on your phone. Search for Is Instagram Down? Here, you will see if there is any issue in the Instagram servers, and you just need to wait until it is fixed. And that's it.